Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Jaime Ray, and today we're checking into one of the most modern and stylish hotels just outside of Atlanta, Georgia, the Westin Atlanta Gwinnett. Located right next to the Gas South District, this hotel opened its doors in early 2023 and brings a fresh, sleek vibe to the area. The Westin brand is known for comfort, and trust me, these signature heavenly beds are copyright signed, live up to the name. It's like sleeping on a cloud. The whole space feels upscale but still warm, with calming tones and tons of natural light, and the lobby alone is something out of the Design magazine. They've got amenities for both business travelers and families, like a rooftop bar, fitness center, and great dining options on site. Now, unfortunately, we weren't able to access the balcony views because that's reserved for suite level rooms, and only about 10 rooms in the entire hotel have access to it. So, there's that. Right?
Yeah, it is. So nobody's out here.
The top one's open. Later that evening, we made our way to the rooftop bar, Overstory, but heads up, it was adult time, only at that hour. So keep in mind if you're planning to bring your kids up to the top floor.
Hitler only had one ball. All right, here we go.
During the day though, the rooftop is wide open and offers stunning skylines of the views of Gwinnett County. It's the perfect spot to relax, sip a cocktail, or even get some work done if you're on a business trip. The vibe up there really changes from laid back into the day to ultra chic at night, if you know what I mean. Besides not being able to go to the rooftop, G, did you like the room?
Yes.
Yeah, same here. It was super comfy, and the lights under the bed were probably your favorite part, right?
Yeah. I was so cool.
It is morning time here in Atlanta. Time to go. Get everything packed up in the cart. Have a truck waiting downstairs. Just kind of doing this video because it was a really good stay. Slept really well, no complaints. Nothing woke me up. And honestly, this view is not that bad. It's actually pretty cute. So, Lindale's next. Wow. That's pretty fancy if you ask me. Hey, these boots are made for walking. And that's just what